Repercussions are already being felt from midday's landmark Supreme Court decision, which defined the power of office of the president. The court ruled the presidents have substantial immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts, even after leaving office, but they do not have immunity for unofficial acts. Skylar Henry reports from Washington, D.C.
Former President Donald Trump's legal team is asking for his criminal conviction in the New York hush money case to be overturned, citing the Supreme Court's landmark decision on presidential immunity for official acts.
There were a few checks signed when he was president, but I think it would be really, really hard to say that those were in either category of official act, and those were just were just unofficial personal acts for which he was open to prosecution.
In a historic decision, the Supreme Court's 6-3 conservative majority ruled that presidents have absolute immunity for official acts that are part of a president's core constitutional powers, presumptive immunity for other official acts, but no immunity for unofficial acts.
You have to give a president full and total immunity.
The court rejected Trump's claims he was absolutely immune from prosecution for his actions around January 6th and sent the case back to lower court Judge Tanya Chutkan to determine which acts can still be criminally prosecuted.
Conversations with Mike Pence to stop the certification, they may be presumptively official, but I would still think Judge Chutkan will find that the government can overcome the presumption.
President Biden blasted the decision.
It's a dangerous precedent because the power of the office will no longer be constrained by the law.
But Trump hailed the court's ruling as a big win for our Constitution and democracy. The decision virtually guarantees Trump's election interference trial won't happen before the November election.
Now, if Trump wins the election, he could pardon himself in the January 6th case, or his appointed attorney general could potentially dismiss the charges.